Hello guys, this is your friend the great lobbyist. I'm back again with another awesome video. Today we have here with us the Huawei Freebuds Pro. These are the latest in-ear headphones that Huawei has just launched last week, and we are going to talk all about it. And while I unbox and find out what this bad boy packs inside, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon so that you continue to get all the notifications and I continue to get all the motivation to keep bringing you these awesome videos and keep you updated on what's happening in the tech world. So let's get straight on to opening this piece and find out what's inside the box. Hello guys, I'm back again and we just finished unboxing the Huawei Freebuds Pro. As you can see, the innovative, beautiful, small little packaging with a completely new package design where everything is packed so neatly, from the wire to the extra soft ear tips and to the information manuals and warranty cards. And these are these beautiful looking Huawei Freebuds Pro. Let's take them out and see how they look. As you can see, the moment I open it, they go straight into the pairing mode, so you don't have to worry about connecting them any other way. And these are these small little bad boys. Now, first thing I must say, I'm impressed with the look and feel of the case itself. It's a very beautifully designed case, and so are these earbuds. They've got this really nice cubicle sort of a design which has never been seen on the earbuds before. Apparently small in size, and the very ergonomic way, the way the ear tips are put together, they would definitely slide in comfortably to your ears and at the same time give you the quality of sound they promise. Now let me tell you, these small little things, this beautiful set of hardware packs a lot of power and a lot of features to give you that amazing immersive sound experience that you want. Now, first, let me start with Hybrid Active Noise Cancellation. Now, that's just a new feature that a lot of vendors are using, but Huawei always upgrades it to what we normally would define as the Huawei quality standard. Now, this hybrid system, of course, cuts down the noise from the inside and the outside. The inward facing and the outward facing microphones detect the in-ear and out of the ear residual noise. Now, they've got the microphones on the outside and on the inside as well, to ensure that the quality of sound that you're getting and the noise cancellation and everything that is not required gets cleared out. It's got the dynamic drivers generating absolutely accurate anti-noise signal, and it can achieve up to 40 decibels of noise cancelling effect. This is what gives you that quality of sound that you want to listen to. Now, this active noise cancellation system is, of course, an intelligent and dynamic ANC. Now, first, it reads the surroundings around you and then optimizes the noise cancellation using the software to ensure that you only get the quality sound that you deserve. If you're in a windy area, it'll recognize that. If you're in a noisy party, it'll recognize that. If you're by the beach and the sound of the wind and the waves, it'll recognize that and filter out and make sure that if you're listening to music or you're on a call, it has optimized it. It's got what they call it as an ultra mode as well, which enhances the noise cancellation when you are traveling and when you are, let's say you're in a car and you want to roll down the windows. It has that ultra noise cancellation mode as well. And the other two modes which are there is the cozy mode and the general mode. And then, of course, the voice mode, which means you don't need to take off your earbuds. You just a long press and you can switch to the awareness mode according to the surrounding, and that gives you that clear, crystal sound that you want. Now, one of the things that I love about it is the dynamic driver and the dynamic equalizers, which are inbuilt. Now, this is an 11 driver, which brings out that superior quality and reduces the noise reduction, and of course the equalizers, which adjusts the sound that you are listening to in according to your interest, according to your usual habits, and according to what is the best possible sound quality that headphones can. Great stuff. It's got a 3 mic system, as we spoke about, which ensures that there are 2 outward facing microphones and 1 inward, so that it's not just about listening to music where it cancels out the external sound. When you're talking to someone, it's not just your surroundings that get cancelled out, but if the other person is in a noisy area, it filters that sound as well and gives you a crystal clear call experience. Amazing stuff. I mean, I love this piece, and I'm 100% sure that if I get to keep these, I'm definitely moving away from the ones I'm using to these ones, purely because they're just so beautiful and so elegant, and they pack a lot of power. Now, when it comes to giving you that complete control, everything is controlled by the finger touches. You long press it and the anti-ANC gets activated, or awareness mode gets activated. You swipe up and down for volume. You pinch it. Now, that's an interesting feature. The pinching features on the side. You pinch it once, you play or pause your music or your video, or you answer or end your calls. You pinch it twice, you move on to the next song, and you pinch it 3 times. You move on to the previous song. Now, that's a lot of control given to you in these small little things, which absolutely amazes me. And I'm really excited and looking forward to, using them on my day-to-day basis, because my usage of headphones is on an average of 7 to 8 hours a day. I literally run my day through these, because once I put them on during the day, I don't think I take them off except for when I'm recording or when I'm going for a shower or I'm talking to people around. I think this makes it easier as well. I think that'll increase it, because if I'm talking to people around, it will just give me that control to ensure that I'm be able to have a conversation with them in comfort. When it comes to the battery, with the ANC on, it gives you 3.5 hours of battery life, and with the case together, it's 16 hours. And if you use it in a regular mode, which is the ANC off mode, you get 4.5 hours of the battery and 20 hours with case. Now, these are beautiful, amazing high-tech features which make these headphones so unique, along with the beautiful design it carries. But to sum this video up, there are 2 features that I saved for last, which are very unique. One is it allows you to have the dual connection, which means you can connect these to 2 devices and easily switch them between the 2 devices. Now, this is all again controlled by the touch function. While not in use, you pinch it and you move on to one device to another, to ensure that if you are watching video on your tablet and your phone rings and they're connected to it, one pinch and it moves away from the tablet and goes on to your phone so that you can answer your call. And that is a beautiful feature to have, which I think I've not come across in any of the earbuds so far. And of course, the second one is the in-ear comfort. It has got the intelligent compactness detection, which means as you use them every day, the software, of course, understands your comfort level and advises you if one or both are actually fitting into your ear correctly, and so that you can switch the silicone tips to make sure that you are in optimal comfort and getting the best quality sound. Guys, this is just a brilliant piece of hardware and a beautiful looking piece of earbuds, and I am absolutely impressed. And I'm really looking forward to using them. And I said that, I think, multiple times. So how about we make a competition out of it? How many times I've promised that if I get to keep these, I will wear them on day-to-day basis and use them on day-to-day basis. Give your answers in the comment, and I promise you to give you an amazing prize, which will be worth your effort watching this video. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off with Huawei Freebuds Pro. Keep yourself safe. Keep listening to good music using the Huawei Freebuds Pro, and peace.